So now let's see how we can do a fire and smoke simulation inside of Blender. So to do that, I'm just going to remove this cube out and I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard, and then I'm going to bring in a mesh, let's say for example a torus. So now I'm going to add in a quick smoke to this, and to do that I'm going to go around into edit, and then I'm going to go around into menu sets. And once you do that, you can see quick smoke is an option. So let me just apply this right here. If you don't see quick smoke, then just search for quick right here, type in quick, and there you go, you get the quick smoke just like this. So now you see the smoke, but I want fire as well. So on the bottom left hand side, as soon as you apply in the quick smoke, you can click here and then you can choose smoke and fire. So once you do that, you can see that you got the smoke and fire option right here, and you got this wonderful fire simulation going on. So now what else you can do is you can go around over here on the right side, and then you can click on the physics properties right here, and then here you can see that there's different options that you can play around with. And one of those options is the noise. So I'm just going to disable this, and I can see that it's much more of a cleaner fire once I do that. But as I add in the noise, it is much more detailed. So let me just go back right here. Let me just go back onto the beginning itself and press the play button. You can see that with the noise, you can also change the parameter of the noise as well and so forth. It is much more detailed. But if you want like less rendering, like some sophistications and so forth, then you can simply use with no noise right here. And you can work around with the other options as well. And that is how you can work around with the fire simulation inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.